Good morning, K. Shepherd. This is the K. Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. I salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today is Friday, November 4th, 2022.
Today's weather, high of 81, low of 66, partly cloudy, and 70% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast, we have a ham and cheese croissant, fruit choice, and juice choice. And for lunch, we have teriyaki chicken, rice, vegetables, fruit choice, and juice choice.
Today's announcements. PLP, the district, has provided our 2 PLP instructors for this year. You will soon receive the indicators and be it sample of PLP using. These indicators will be on the lookout for this insights to behavior. District required training. All classified staff should have received an email from Insight Lights to behavior on 10/19. All certified staff must complete the training by December 12th as stated in the email you received. Today's late duty, Miss Blankenship.
Important days. November 7th, faculty meeting, iReady PD. November 10th, Thanksgiving feast. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 15th, class spelling bees. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 17th, tutoring ends. Friday. November 18th, Feel Good Friday. November 21st to the 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school.
Today's birthday, Harriet Harrison Jones, Haley McDonald.
You can submit questions to the question library that will be located in the library.
Today's question of the day. Emily in Miss Kurtz's class asked, how do lavas form? The restricted found in the answer, lavas form when magma erupts from a volcano as pressure released gases dissolved in magma bubbles out, so the composition of lava changes. Lava flows are formed by the eruption of hot around 12,000 OC.
That's all for today's news.
Have a fantastic Friday.